The seventh and final standard of the ISTE Standards for Educators is Analyst. Here, educators understand and use data to drive their instruction and support students in achieving their learning goals. This standard consists of three components. The first component is offer alternative assessments, where educators provide alternative ways for students to demonstrate competency and reflect on their learning using technology. Here, we can offer an alternative assessment where students reflect on what they learned. This provides students with an opportunity to see their progress and set future goals to ensure that they're hitting those objectives. The next component is use technology to create assessments. Now, this has been implemented in districts for quite a while, especially after the COVID lockdowns. Now, here we have a lot of different tools and applications that we can use in the classroom, like Nearpod and Quizzes and Quizlet, in order to assign these different assessments and assignments for students to learn online. A lot of these tools provide immediate feedback for students, and it saves teachers a lot of time and provides them with more time for effective instruction using technology with these features. The final component of this standard is use data to guide progress, where teachers use assessment data to guide progress and communicate with students, parents, and education stakeholders to build student self direction. Now, this can be done with a progress monitoring chart. In my district, we have progress monitoring charts to look at student data with their checkpoints. So, students in English 2, they have to take an English 2 star exam, the standardized test. Now, in between the first day of school and the day that they take their exam, we are not only obviously teaching them and educating them on how to implement strategies to pass this test, but we are also giving them what they call checkpoint exams. Now, each checkpoint exam has star style questions. It has about 15 of them. It has passages and everything just like it would be with the star. The only difference is there are only 15 questions as opposed to the 60 plus questions on the real star. Now, every score that the students receive on those checkpoints is entered into their progress monitoring chart, which is used, which is through Google Sheets, and we show these to the students. So we tell them your goal is to get better each time we have the checkpoint. And that assessment data drives our future lessons and what we need to teach the students, what they need help on, what their strengths are, what their weaknesses are. So that data is very, very essential to ensuring student success.